let's discuss brain development. So brain development, around week number 4, 4th week of pregnancy, the brain starts to develop. There's a structure called the neural tube. The neural tube will branch into what's called primary vesicles, which are, so it forms 3 vesicles, 3 bulges, like this. Bulge, 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 okay? So here first you have, this is the neural tube. Then it forms these 3 bumps. The first top bump here is called your, it's called your rhombencephalon. No, sorry, gotta back that up. It's called your prosencephalon. Prosencephalon. The second one is called your mesencephalon. The third is called your rhombencephalon. These are called primary vesicles. Around week number 4, they start to form. And then eventually these form secondary vesicles, okay? So look at that next. So these are primaries here. Primary vesicles. Now the secondary vesicles that these form would be the prosencephalon, will give rise to your telencephalon and your diencephalon. Then the mesencephalon stays the same, mesencephalon, and the rhombencephalon will form your metencephalon and your myelencephalon. And then from these 5 secondary vesicles, that's where, from these, this is how you then form the brain structure. So I want you guys to know that your telencephalon gives rise to your cerebrum. Okay, your diencephalon gives rise to the usual 3 structures up there. You know, remember your thalamus, epithalamus, and hypothalamus. So thalamus, epithalamus, and your hypothalamus, as well as part of the eye, we're called the retina. Those 4 structures form from the diencephalon. And then your mesencephalon forms the midbrain of the brainstem. Your metencephalon forms the pons and the cerebellum. And then your myelencephalon forms the medulla oblongata. And the rest of the neural tube will then form the spinal cord. Okay, so please know for me how the brain develops. From the neural tube to the primary vesicles to the secondary vesicles, and then what permanent structures are formed from these 5 secondary vesicles. Okay, we'll pause there.